Repairing and replacing a wheel on a wheel loader using an excavator involves the following steps. 1. Park both the wheel loader and excavator on stable ground, ensuring they are securely positioned. 2. Use the excavator to lift the wheel loader off the ground, providing enough clearance to work on the affected wheel. 3. Safely secure the wheel loader in position using support stands or blocks to prevent any accidental movement while working. 4. Remove the damaged or worn-out wheel from the wheel loader. This may require loosening lug nuts or bolts and using appropriate tools for detachment. 5. With the help of the excavator, lift the replacement wheel and align it with the wheel loader's wheel hub. 6. Carefully lower the new wheel onto the hub, ensuring proper alignment and seating. Tighten the lug nuts or bolts to the manufacturer's specifications in a star or cross pattern for even distribution of pressure. 7. Lower the wheel loader back to the ground using the excavator. 8. Perform a thorough inspection to ensure the wheel is securely attached and there are no leaks or abnormalities. 9. Test the wheel loader's functionality, including steering and braking, to verify that the replacement was successful. 10. Finally, clean up the work area, remove support stands or blocks, and ensure both the wheel loader and excavator are in good working condition. Remember, this process requires